So folks, here's a quick little recipe for a universal stir-fry sauce. You can use this on the stove when you're making a stir-fry, or you can use it in the freezer recipes. I've got a couple of freezer recipes that I plan on using this sauce on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually double my recipe, but in the description down below, I'll list all the ingredients for a single batch. So we're going to start out with some soy sauce. We have some dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, Chinese cooking wine or Shaoxing wine, some chicken stock powder, and some sugar. So we're going to mix this all together, and once we get it all mixed together, then we can just pop it into a jar and we can keep it into the fridge for probably a good month or so. I don't think it's going to go bad on you, but I'm going to be using it in a couple of recipes, so I figured I'd make a batch and then I can just add it in as we go along when we package up those recipes. So let's start out with soy sauce. I've got 6 tablespoons of soy sauce. Like I say, this is a double recipe. I have 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine or Chinese cooking wine. If you don't have Chinese cooking wine or anything like that, you have some white wine at home, just use white wine. Then I have some oyster sauce. Oh, I better get a handy dandy little spatula for that one, because it's a thick sauce. So we got 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Where's my little whisk here? I'll scrape that off of the spatula. Pop that in the sink here. Now our chicken powder. It calls for a teaspoon of chicken powder, so I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of chicken powder. And then sugar, it calls for a teaspoon of sugar. So we'll put in 2 teaspoons of sugar. I think I'm missing something here. Oh yeah, some salt. We're going to add some salt to this. So because the soy sauce, of course, contains some salt. Ooh, this is a real live video. And we have chicken stock powder. That contains salt. I'm not going to put very much in. I'm only going to put 1 teaspoon of salt in there. And then we need some hot water. 1 minute. So we're going to add a 1/2 cup of water. Regular recipe calls for a 1/4 cup. Mix that all together. Make sure that chicken stock powder gets dissolved in there. And there we go. A great simple sauce that can keep in the refrigerator. Anytime you make a stir fry, you can add a couple of tablespoons in there, or 1/2 cup if you need it. And we'll get our other recipes ready to go with our handy dandy little universal stir fry sauce.